Tropical storm Eloise has formed today in the southwest Indian Ocean and is currently located around 12.9 degrees south, 60.4 degrees east, as of 10 p.m. Eastern Africa time this January the 17th. Eloise currently has winds of 45 miles per hour or 70 kilometers per hour, a pressure of 995 millibars, moving west at 17 miles per hour or 27 kilometers per hour, and has a CDPS stage rating of 3. Here's the current breakdown of that rating for Ambohicha-Lanana. Wind speed is moderate, storm size is also moderate, rainfall potential is major, and the overall threat to land is moderate. Stage 3 means that considerable damage is possible where this storm makes landfall. Here's the current wind fields of Eloise: 65 nautical miles to the northeast and northwest, 55 nautical miles to the southeast and southwest. Again, Stage 3 means that considerable damage is possible where the storm makes landfall. Here are the current distances in miles: 815 miles from Toamasina, 781 miles from Sampava, 700 miles from Andapa, 747 miles from Amboa Bay, and 697 miles from Ambohicha-Lanana. There are currently no watches or warnings in effect for Eloise. Here are the current intensity estimates. The HWC is currently sitting at 40 miles per hour. Force 13 for this update, we're running with 45 miles per hour, and ADT is all the way up at 60 miles per hour. Here's the current HWC cone, showing again that initial estimate of 40 miles per hour, showing it making landfall around the 20th, 50 to 55 knots for that landfall, and coming offshore and could potentially threaten Mozambique as a tropical cyclone as it moves offshore on the 22nd. Here's the current rain swath from the HWRF model. You can see widespread 4 to 8 inches and some pockets of 8 to 16 and even 16 to 24 inches for some of the higher elevations of Madagascar. Here are the current sea surface temperatures for Eloise, generally 29 to 30 Celsius. Really, the only limiting factor for Eloise is the wind shear. Multi-model diagnostic comparison, you can see that the only model taking Eloise up to hurricane strength is the H-Wharf, most models keeping this below 60 knots. Here's the wind shear. As you see, 15 knots, expected to lower a little bit, but then rise as it nears landfall on the 20th. Here's the current track, sea surface temperatures, and mid-level relative humidity. As you see, the only real limiting factor is the wind shear and maybe the relative humidity. Here's the current infrared of Eloise. Good blow-ups of convection for this system, I will say. Certainly a healthy system, but the wind shear will continue to be an issue all the way up to landfall for Eloise. Stay tuned for more updates on the tropics here on Force 13.